Hi, I'm Billi Maddox and I'm gonna mess this up so that you don't have to. Today I'm gonna be, this is my own sort of design at a minifigure stand. There are loads and loads of more sort of elegant ways to do this, but this is sort of done with available pieces that I had. And really, the concept of this, you can build it however you want, but the concept of this is that you have these sort of steps. And usually they're, step-ups of full bricks. So, you've got a flat plane, 1 brick up, 2 bricks up, 3 bricks up. And that's essentially it. You can make them as long as you want. You can make them as tall as you want. I just wanted a little 4-step segment, something that you can sort of tuck in, pop some minifigures on there, and that's it. Now, excuse the mess down here, but that is, I'm working on another project too, and well, I have to have that there as well, so excuse the mess. Here we have all the component pieces down here. And you see, it's really simple, and you can do it with any combination of pieces, as long as what you end up with is this sort of bleachered step situation. So let's go ahead and build it. You'll see that, what you want to do is build a little sort of platform first. You see I have sort of half of it built, and then the other half we're going to build now. You want a piece that sort of goes across to give it stability and also bring those 2 halves together. You don't necessarily have to end up with sort of 2 halves. That's just the available pieces that I had. This is just sort of a proof of concept. Is that right? Am I using that right? I don't know. And then you see I step up with 2 bricks. I step up with 2 other bricks. I don't really mind like the colors. I tried to stick to sort of black, grays, and reds because Star Wars, but it could be any combination. This could be all blue, this could be all red, this could be all yellow, whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. Once it's built, you don't really see the whole thing. And then gradually step that up, and that's sort of what you want. Oh, and then also you could leave it flat, or you can sort of give it little feet, and I chose to sort of give it little feet. I just like the way it sort of kind of comes off of the ground a little bit. Now you see here on the table, I've got larger ones. I got a really small one just for, I put all the Guardians of the Galaxy all together, and a little small one which goes into my collector case. I'm working on sort of groupings of Star Wars characters, and I'm still kind of working that out, and I'm not fully done with that, but that's what I'm building these for, so that it's really easy to sort of stick it in a little module somewhere. If you wanted to have minifigures with accessories on them, holding stuff, maybe backpacks, things of that nature, you might want to extend these to 3 studs so that it would be 1, 2, 3, so you have a bit extra room, and then this next step would start here, and then here and here. You're gonna end up with a wider section by 1, 2, 3, 4, by about 4 studs because of each step, whatever. You can make it however you need for your purposes. This is what works for me. If you're looking for somewhere to stick all your minifigures, I don't really have much use for minifigures, although I do appreciate a really well printed and well made and well molded minifigure. I'm not really like a minifigure collector per se. I just like building stuff. So minifigures are like, well, I don't really need that. It doesn't really help me build anything. But they come in sets, so I have them, and I have a lot of Star Wars sets because I love building the ships. So I have a lot of minifigures, and that's why I have so many. So I figured since I have so many, instead of them sort of rattling around in a box somewhere, I'll stick them on a stand, put them in my collector case. Yeah. So this is just a really neat way to sort of put them on somewhere where they're not gonna sort of fall all over the place, and have them so you can see them. It's sort of in a compact space. You don't need to have them in a line or anything like that. That's why I made this. Lego! Roll the thing!